Actor Varun Dhawan performed a daredevil stunt on a movie speedboat on the sets of his next film Coolie No. Varun on Tuesday shared a video on Instagram in which he was seen hanging from the side of the speedboat. In the video, Varun is heard saying,
"What's up guys, how's it going? I'm on the sets of Coolie No. We're shooting in the middle of the South China Sea right now over here, and we're going at 800 kilometers per hour. Actually that's not true, I don't know what the real speed is, but it's a lot of fun shooting this film, and right now I'm in the character of poor Mahendra Pratap. Look at this ring, just look at this ring, it's fake, but a lot of fun here. So I wanted to share this experience of shooting in the water just before I jump down. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Okay, yeah. I think they're pretty up, huh? No, seriously.
Poor Mahendra Pratap in the middle of the ocean nearly fell off. He captioned the video. Bollywood actor Ranveer Singh wrote, "Haha," to which Varun replied, "Never improvise on a moving boat." Actors like Paresh Rawal, Rajpal Yadav and Javed Jafri will also be seen playing pivotal roles in the remake. INS Report.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.